Okay, oh yeah, okay. Put the camera in the center. Is it there? Good, good. What about the lights? Yes, turn that on. No, the other that. Find your patience before I lose mine. Yes, turn the music on. Yes, that's nice, that's nice. Yes, you're right, life's good, you should get one. Okay, what? The camera's on? You should tell me that before turning this thing on. Wait, what? Unless your name's Google, stop acting like you know everything. Because I know the folks who do, and their name is socialtomatoes.com. And they have the best experts for every issue. Just subscribe to them and enter into the world of genuine reviews. In the end, I would like to apologise to anyone I've not offended yet. Please be patient, I will get to you shortly. Until next time, goodbye! Turn that thing off.